Okay, passenger trying to bail. What's a bag full of stuff on your driver's seat in there?
What started out as a routine traffic stop turned into a high-speed chase through the streets of Dillington, Florida, and ended with the driver facing multiple felony charges. This is the story of Christopher North and how a few bad decisions landed him behind bars.
Kilo 5420, 51. 02501 up.
Okay, passenger trying to bail.
10-4 passengers trying to bail. Be 1033.
Get away from the car! Get away from the car! Stop the car! Get away from the car! Get over there!
Show me 51, I'm right here in the seat.
Open your door!
10-4, 65, 67, 120.
Stay in the car! Stay in the car! Get over there!
6474, he's going to be in front of the Walmart.
Get away! Get over there!
Big close to Marion on 104.
You! I ain't gonna tell you again. Get over there! Driver! Show me both your hands! Exit slow! Face away! Walk back to me! Face away!
Turn 65, 59.
Keep walking! Keep walking! Keep coming! Stop! Well, nothing we can see yet.
214, 46.
What's going on, man? No. Get back in the car. You ain't going nowhere. What's your name?
Chris.
Chris? All right, Chris, listen, I'm going to read you something real quick, and then I'm going to talk to you, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to execute these rights, not answer any questions, and make any statements. Chris, you understand each of the rights I've just explained to you? With those rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me? Okay.
I wasn't even driving.
Hold on. Huh?
I wasn't even driving.
You weren't driving. You came out of the driver's seat.
I was just sitting over there.
You were just sitting where?
I was trying to get to a safe spot.
Okay.
So you were trying to move the car to a safe spot? Is that what you're trying to do? So you were in the driver's seat. You were driving the car.
Yeah, but I was just trying to move to a safe spot.
So you took off at high speed away from me after
I don't know how to drive.
You don't know how to drive. Okay. Is that going to be your defense? That you don't know how to drive? Okay. What'd you take off for? What'd you take off for? You don't have a license? Is that why you ran?
Yeah, I don't.
Dude, it'd have been a ticket. It could have been a ticket.
I don't have no license.
I
don't know.
You ain't the only one. You probably won't be the first person I stop tonight ain't got a license. You think that's worth running like that? Jeopardizing people?
No, I wasn't trying to run.
You weren't trying to run?
No.
We'll watch my camera back together sometime, and you'll see how high speed you took off from me. And you can tell me you're trying not to run, okay?
I was just trying to get to a safe spot.
What's a bag full of stuff on your driver's seat in there?
I don't know.
Okay.